tidy up your place. You live like a little scavenger. If you are keep us in a dark manner, I no want to when not keep it a blood clot. Cause shit supposed to be a ground. If you keep house and it in a dark manner, I no want to when not keep it. Cause shit supposed to be a ground. Your bread don't spread. You have to probably be like you're mad. I don't know. I don't know about the show. You have so many things where they are big for. What you want in an argument? You have to show us another hype and followers. Look, you have so many. Me not in a phone league. I live in a house and the things. What you want to come argue with me for, girl? You jump on one your business. You want them to argue. Because you look followers. Because clearly me not in your league. As we can see.
Oh, she over there?
Clearly, me not in your league, as you can see. When the bumper pussy blood clot, you argue with me for. The followers might look tomorrow and see that. Yeah, I say circle, you shouldn't even have a problem. I say circle away. Me don't know you're not playing a match with you. Me don't know you're not get a quit, I'm not playing a match with you. Me not walk around and play a match with none of them. I just quit them look hyper for you. Me don't know you. She been waiting for in an argument with me a long time. That's what the girl I do. I would have Shae suck pussy friend. Because Shae just had her and just comfortable attack. I would have Shae she said her. Y'all don't know nothing about me. And me no live no way. Me no live no blood clot way. But clearly you can see me always a win on the internet. Always. I win you know. Can me ever keep a none more blood clot or no? Because let me tell you this. And who can trace the most with on TikTok? Sometimes I argue and I just time like I just cut my love chat. And who can trace on TikTok get money? I don't know, blood clot who can dig up the most third palm people. You know what get money? At match. From the match, I could have one shooter, I could have one blood clot shooter me have. And the two of them are fight neck and neck to win the blood clot game. And we excited as the blood clot game players I get the gift. We go on. And that get money on TikTok. He said me could have come here. Father God, more you bless me with 5 talented, well good shooters that you will not go nowhere. I'm sure how me not have to answer on a low life dog shit. 5 good shooters more, 5. I don't need more than 5. Pure lion, tigers, and bear, and look at me with the answer you share. Now you're stinky, girl. None of your minions, them. Mr. Moore 5 top shooter bubblegum. You know, pray. What I mean top striker, I know what I talk about.
49ers.
Yes, so play a good ball game. You know what I talk about.
Rich man.
I not this in a bubblegum family, I not this in a baby. But I mean top striker, I mean top striker.
Yo, I'm sitting in 49ers. Apple.
At any given moment, I lose.
I tell you about top striker over here. It's the Apple top striker. Trench cut, top striker. 49ers, top striker.
Stinking girl.
Not tell you about Rich. Not tell you about Fakers.
Good argue with blood clot you. At 20 and then I get one night a stinking girl. Your friend didn't know that? Now in an argument, 1.6 million on the blood clot board. One night to work. I never see with that yet. You want to have 1.6 million of people blood clot life story. I'm not argue with a batty man friend. And your friend want to pay for makeover. Because she look a bit on blood clot tough.
Come here.
So where Zuma do? Where Zuma do Rose?
Zuma batty man.
The man pick Shae side. I me pick your side. Nobody.
No one nobody pick my side.
No, Rosealee me say.
Me no want nobody pick my side because share them on nobody. No.
Nobody with the Batman pan Zuma name. Do friend.
My Batman. Batman no sodomite, you know. You never know that. When you see a blood clot sodomite, you have to see a Batman line. You never know that. You tell you that. When you see a Batman, anyway you see sodomite, Batman today. You never did know that in your life? Yeah. And some know my Batman. Anyway you see sodomite bungalow, Batman today.
Oh, that's why Shae ever. The first time I know Shae and Jayden and Slyme, she tell me say them a private Batman. See them come to a chew, you know, long that. About 13 months back. She tell me say them a private Batman.
Anyway, it's a sodomite, low life sodomite bungalow, dirty Batman today.
But listen, Rosealee, me and Zuma come from the same community.
You want him blood clot.
Never hear about it.
Yeah, you want him business. Remember in a Rika, remember in a Rika blood clot, in back them want suck our pussy.
Rosealee, moving forward. We don't want nobody come to me over here take down Zuma. Moving forward.
In a Rika, in back them want suck Rika pussy. Pass my phone in the suburb. Pass my phone in the set a ring. Never blood clot here.
You know what, Rosealee, because see and Zuma them over here doing business, you know. I'm gonna alone.
My friend, how would you say? Yeah, Zuma a friend.
Yeah, and Zuma a friend.
Yeah, Zuma is no blood clot friend. Me and Zuma is no friend, and me and Zuma will never be friends. They see me and Zuma I play much of kinds me look. Me and Zuma a blood clot friend.
Are you a co-worker?
Me not have no co-worker.
We must apply something on top about me.
I have no co-worker.
Rosealee, I need to talk to
Me
Zuma.
have no co-worker. Who is your friend, Rosealee? My pussy, I'm a supporter of Empire. I'm a pick them, I'm a man. I'm probably Ziggy and Triple.
Good show, go on, right, come for. You know, come suck mood. You know, come suck mood, how long have you come suck me?
Hello. Is that how you approach me?
I miss you.
Your cookie stiff right now, duh.
No, Rosealee, don't stiff it up. You know, when I'm supposed to
when you add the people, them stop calm them because everybody are coming to the cloud.
No, no, she a celebrity. I create this. Good pussy girl. Good short.
You know me as Fr3ak.
Oh.
A Fr3ak, she know me as.
Oh.
But what you do? You play a match, Ziggy?
No, we there attack.
Alright, I'll jump off.
Yeah, look more.
Later.
No, don't need short here.
I have Zuma a blood clot for me to use Zuma or more happy, but now Zuma friend. The last time that pussy wall boy fell and go against me, you know. I mean, come back, me see him come back, come blood clot, apologize. I say, yo, my sister, me this time, like when the page blood clot gone, you know, and me not gonna help him build that one, yeah. Yeah.
Rosealee, you say, you know, you last clot. Keep me forward from my forward and say, Rosealee, yeah, my mother, you know. Them boy, they could have chat out them mouth for say, yo, them even give me a helping and over here. To be somebody. Make people know my Rosealee. You have been do it, girl. You said, no, go build platform.
Me can't help you, go build a platform.
Wait, I'm going to wait around the world. I mean, be able, you make Batman go know me. Sodomite go know me. Transmission go know me. Because I'm going to walk up in a Shae, Jayden, and Slyme. That me I tell you, Rosealee. I have to do it before them Rose, they bench me.
You go buck up in a thinking pussy, Shae.
And Jayden. And
You back to Jayden.
you know. Yeah, Shae take that down him and Slyme the day.
He can't tell down nobody because him a batty man and she a sodomite. Just some
Yeah,
pussy like
she
that.
take him down. She take him down, say my private
He
batty
can't
man.
take him blood clot, take him down. Because you a
She take him down
sodomite,
the
so you
day.
have to take him down and say.
Yes,
Well,
my
you
private
take him
batty
down
man.
and
I mean, sorry if him say yo, him suck pussy.
Why you have to take him down and blood clot, say?
Shae, do it to me.
The whole blood clot tick out now, so Jayden a long time batty man. Shae never did have to come blood clot tick with that. But we never know say blood clot zoom a fish.
Mario, me now no Zuma argument over here now. No Zuma argument me now over here now.
Them say him and Jimbo they are fuck, and that's why I never defend Roger.
Rosealee, stop reading the chat. Stop reading the chat. Stop reading the chat. Only go them. I like couldn't like my friend now. I'm doing go them Rosealee. I lie them I tell. On the Lord man. Rosealee, please, my friend, leave Zuma. Yeah, Rosealee. Rose. Can you leave Zuma for me? Rose, leave Zuma, please. My beg for Zuma. Yeah, Rose. Leave Zuma, please.
Never depend blood clot Zuma from time to time. But you know, I'm gonna tell blame them. Zuma my crosses. You
Shae, I had a long time.
You the live chat people you snitch. Not even girl not flap Fr3ak tail like you. Sick to the day me gonna know a waste boy like you. You're a waste man. He's a waste man. Yeah. Where the Fr3ak class me for money I want. For recharge.
No, I them I said it over that chat, man. I reach out with that chat. No, I reach out with that chat, man. Rosealee them love so
Yeah.
Yo, stop calling my friend name.
Fr3ak in a long time so cool. I send be a Batman number. Why?
Yo, the girl Zuma one wicked thing where they you know. Send be a Batman Zuma number.
I know she said no, Shae.
Shae love Zuma. Shae now the Zuma them something there.
Shae love Zuma.
Yeah.
I Shae. Then Zuma na Batman, I Shae put him in that group.
Shae now do Shae man.
Batman, and sodomite, no sodomite.
Shae love Zuma. She
Shae
love me
what?
too. She still love me.
If she don't love her two for them, how she go love Zuma?
She love Zuma easy now, man.
If she don't love her two for them, how she go love Zuma?
Love Zuma. Believe me, no girl.
If she don't love her two for them, how she go love Zuma? What is that Zuma?
Zuma call her mother.
What is that Zuma?
Rosealee, it's the same like come and say you Rosealee, I'm a mother. I say me go build
Let's
platform.
say,
I'm mother.
if Shae no like her two for them, how she go like Zuma? Shae no like nobody car. From Shae give her she birth, she can't like her soul. But after watch me miss that girl. But it is a top girl in the race. When I say top girl, I mean top girl. Them have to watch and know them start chat. Miss that girl. I don't know that already. You don't know that. You don't know that already. Them after watch blood clot me. Like CVM TV, them looking in, them looking out, them looking even better. Not gonna no time, no way. Like TVJ, just look at us now. Them tune into me.
Them tuning in every morning.
Like Shanti. Them run go tell them mother, go tell them auntie. Them know so TikTok half love me. So me a big up Miss Kitty and Jenny. And that's a one right.
What a one.
And that's a one. Never get just love me so nice, treat me so right from me dear man. The relationship there have to go somewhere. Me not tell the world, me not run with ER with a repeat for Monday. That good loving them just can't lose. I feel it na make a
good pussy girl.
What one? You don't get it. Call it. They got call Emily Cooks the interview. And that I go on what I go on. Them have to watch me. Like CVM TV, them looking out, living even better. Them have to watch me, is me that girl, you know that. You know the girl them a fan of me, the girls them is a fan of me. As them talk, I'm a wake up, I paid up wake up. When the as them talk, I just go throw eye upon them and wake up, peered up. When Shae and some minions start, I just go over there, I want she up on the ear train. The batty man, the batty girl when they don't have a batty man. All she need to look like this is at the mouth. That is all missing. Cause first girl me see blood clot and argue and her two be them in the next start up strong so like sharp thyroids. When you can argue me and tell me blood clot say you show your house in the mess if you're a foreigner, you need to spread your blood clot bed. Una nasty girl. Your keep house supposed to be well kept. When you argue me and say to me that he's a mad girl run wild, you want one mad joke. I pay a ball, your back and shot. You know about the bitch? You don't even know your name. Me that call it John in your man. Dirty Shae and her friend them over there. Shae can chat me. Shae they gonna do for sure. We have 5 father and JR will have the belly bottom.
Rosealee, babes.
What going, baby? Oh, there.
Oh, you look so cute. Stop cuss and make waste people follow you up and I see a blood clot burning and I go, yeah, eat that Rosealee, man. Stop follow you that people, man.
Man, them going to take you down. Them are going to take you down. Them are going to leave out Rosealee thing. Them are going to take you down.
Ziggy, every day you're there with Rosealee. Give me a chance to talk or your bad mind, so man.
Pepper sauce and bus it.
Yeah, listen to me I say now, Rosealee. You're always nice enough, because you're one nice thick girl.
Look at Batty man like them chef ever Batty man. I want to grab the man out of chef anyway.
Hold on, I'll come out that. You see that little ketchup here? Look like
poor Batty man over there.
Cool and fresh.
Three Batty man over there. Shae, Zoom and the next mad one. Flanker girl!
Ziggy, what you say now, Ziggy?
Zuma, Rosealee and Shae be a thing right now. I want the girl name Ride or Die. Blame them.
Zuma never take plane go somewhere. Zuma didn't have passport. Why you mix Zuma with Rosealee? Stop calling woman name with careless people, man. Come like you're careless too, you know, Ziggy. You need to go name out your mama, you know. Rosealee, let me make sure I tell you this, Rosealee. You need to stop playing with him, to him. Let me tell you. Because I mix up batty boy. Let me make sure I tell you the boy.
I'm going to feel like the dog.
Bumbuck, lad. Stop calling woman name with careless Zuma them, man. Zuma them and some of them are youth. Zuma them is who? What is a Zuma? Alright, more I know. What is a Zuma? Ziggy, what is a Zuma?
What's a Zuma?
Low me to my youth, my friend. Low me to my youth.
What is a Zuma? Zuma the name.
Low me, bad man.
My youth, friend, low me dog. My youth, listen. You see on TikTok, Zuma.
Watch a Zuma, come look for you now. Zuma, come for you.
Listen, yeah, listen, clip. Yeah, tapping eyes, but make a clip this man. Tapping eyes. Listen, on TikTok, Zuma, I first youth. Name we call from Batty pan it up on TikTok. If you never know, go do no research. Zuma to go one side.
Me tell you.
Need to go one side and leave the female them. Man, me not like no man who cuss woman, you know. Me hate you all out, you know, Ziggy. Why me get think me not like you? Because I take set for woman too much pan it up. And without me, woman them pan it up, none of we are nothing.
Me no have to do this video, you know. Me no have to do this video, you know. I Zuma must do over here, you know. You know what? Tell Zuma me I call him there. No, tell Zuma me I call him there.
When Zuma come, I go jump.
Any Zuma come, me a jump to in a Rosealee.
I end my life. Me not me.
Yeah, any Zuma come, me a jump.
Zuma can't get no clothes yourself. Zuma nobody. Zuma have a silver stinking Shae them like we are pollute the whole TikTok.
Ziggy. Look now my yo, me tell you say I can't dealership for one boy and Ziggy my yo. Who is Zuma them? Ziggy, who is Zuma them? Go suck out to the Zuma. You know I live my life
You know one
boy.
BBL sister over here.
Drunk, Zuma, shit,
Yo,
Zuma.
friend.
Zuma for me name. You know I low life. Dirty hungry belly Zuma. You know hungry, Zuma for me name. Pussy, oh, and car dealership boy, suck on no mama. Drunk, and the duffel bag full of money to in a pussy hole. But I think, everyone, nobody think no food, no duffel bag, you know. Pound, a Jamaica, me there now, you know. This is no Barbados, you know. So, you tell me, say, a cat, no. Blood clot. Jamaica, we there now. Ziggy, Western Union paper 5,000 I bill and 2,000 I bill like rice grain. Go suck your mama.
Tamika Brown, you know what I'm Tamika Brown, you never tell me if you don't play with Ansable. But come in here really like Ansable, you know.
Pussy cup of sauce. Hey boy, what you gonna do?
Me not like she give me one aura what me not like. I him other. And then me know if me know that she for morning, I wouldn't say what me say them have to group up.
Cup of sauce, no me not venture bad man.
Cup
of no me not venture.
Me did blood clan no sir answer this man when him had her. When him had me, I would have jumped.